Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, only a quick look here at the Bitcoin chart. In the last video, I also covered the daily chart. So in this video here, just short term, and we'll take a look at the sideways range. At the moment, while I record this video, there is a little bit of selling pressure. Maybe, is it the last dip before an upside breakout? Is it the last dip before the weekly candle closes? We'll see. For now, I remain still focused on the yellow scenario, but it is low confidence. Yellow scenario suggests that a wave 2 bottomed on the 18th of February in this circle 2 at $93,410. And yeah, below that level, it will be invalidated, the yellow scenario. Surely then we could say that maybe circle wave 2 is resetting, which is absolutely possible. It could always be a wave 1 and then I think, yeah, A wave down, B wave up, which would be an ABC itself, and then a C wave down. But then the question is, we probably won't hold above the invalidation point. So therefore, I did say that below the swing low from $93,410, the white scenario is likely going to take the lead. That doesn't mean it's going to be certain that the price will take us down into the blue target zone for the white count, yeah. So especially here, the area 85K, 82K, sort of that is what I'm watching as possible target in this white scenario, where the price could lead to a decline in a so-called ending diagonal. But it will, surely the bulls would signal a failure should we get a break below that last swing low there. But as I said, be careful with interpreting what's happening in this range. It's really low confidence. There isn't really much clarity there at the moment. And to be honest, all the key levels that we discussed in the previous videos are still relevant. So if you assume now, because we see a little bit of red, this would be anything that's deciding anything, I would disagree. It's just not strong enough price action that we see today. The price could so far not form a 5-wave move up, in my opinion, from the 21st of February low. But what could be the case, and I just want to mention that, that in our white scenario, which is overall short-term bearish, the price could still form a wider wave 2 corrective bounce into resistance. That is just a possibility. But as I said to you, as soon as we break below the 93,410 level, it is probable that a more substantial top formed, probably then in a wave 2, and we're moving down in a third wave, and that could, then we'll probably test these previous support levels, structural support, first of all, around 91,340, and another important one is the 13th of January low, where a larger degree fourth wave low presumably formed, and this level is located at $89,200. So from here, the decline could obviously continue then in a third wave, but yeah, we then also have some support levels to break, and as I said to you, this is likely going to be an ending diagonal to the downside, because where this local B wave topped in the white count on the 30th of January, afterwards we had 3 waves down, 3 waves up. So this here would also be a 3-wave move down in circle wave 3. And again, that might take us into the mid 80K region. From a bullish point of view, yeah, still possible, but this doesn't really look like, this looks strange. Doesn't really fit into the yellow count, really, what we see at the moment. But this structure has been very choppy anyway, so as long as we don't break any key level, all the parameters remain relevant and valid. From a bullish point of view, what is now needed really is a break above resistance first. So above this resistance range between $97,159 and $98,496. So we need to get above that level. And but again, also there are some structural resistance levels. Probably the more meaningful one is the wave 1 high now. But this is also not really a main level. Yeah, we talk here about around about $99,550. This is not so meaningful. The more meaningful level is the solid green line, the swing high from the 3rd of February. This is still the one that needs to be broken to finally get us out of this range. But you see the price is still not really it's not been able to get back to the top of the range. So this is something we are watching for. For now, it's trolling support, and the levels should all be clearly defined. And it's just a matter of, it's just a waiting game at the moment. I think the opening of the US futures market later today should give us some further insights. Definitely worth watching how the market is opening into the new week. Yeah, and I hope that's giving you some clarity here in the short term. I know we don't really know which direction it's going to go, but we have very, very clear levels to watch. We know which levels to watch for. We know that we're in a range where we are just dealing with micro patterns that are very unreliable. They can easily break down, and that means that until we finally get out of this range, I think the trading approach needs to be characterized by caution. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. For those of you who don't know, yesterday I published a video about Casper on X. You guys voted for a coin for me to analyze and upload exclusively on X. You'll find the link to our X profile in the description. In case you're interested in Casper, check it out. I know it's a very popular coin. You'll find it on our X profile. Thank you very much. Have a great Sunday. Bye-bye.